Okay, please tell me any doubt is there in this exercise? Any question do you want to ask?
No, sir, I don't have any question.
Okay, girls, do you want to ask any question from this exercise?
So I want to ask actually question number 7. I
Question
was not
number
attending. I was going to 7.
7.
Yes, sir, please. Just first part. I'm not getting it clear.
Okay, any other query?
No, sir.
And any other girls? Is there any query from this exercise?
No, sir.
Okay, so only question number 18 was left. So I am just solving question number 18 now. Okay, and Tuba, you asked question number 7. So you try to understand the concept. Okay, I am just again trying to clear the concept from question number 18. Okay, the same concept
Okay,
is
sir.
there. Actually, you are absent in the early
Yes, sir.
classes. That's why you're getting some problem. But again, from this question number 18, I will try to cover all the concepts. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
watch it sincerely, try to understand, and inshallah, you will solve question number 7 by yourself. So let me share my screen. Okay, so see here question number 18 of this exercise. A shopkeeper buys an article whose list price is 8,000. Okay, so let's see, there is a shopkeeper and this is the wholesaler and this is one consumer. So this was the only case in this chapter. There were three people or three-person involved here, like wholesaler, shopkeeper, consumer, and one transaction from wholesaler to shopkeeper and one transaction from here to here. So two cases were there. One is the intrastate case, okay, and second is the interstate. So for intrastate case, there were two GST we have to calculate, CGST and SGST. And for interstate, there is one GST, that is IGST. So these things we have done. Okay. And this shopkeeper is paying some GST to this wholesaler. That GST is the input GST. Okay. And this consumer is giving some GST to this shopkeeper. That is the output GST. Output GST. And this shopkeeper giving some GST to the government. That is the net GST. Net GST is equals to the difference between output minus input. So this was the only case. Okay, now let's see your question number 18. What is given here? A shopkeeper buys an article whose list price is rupees 8,000. So let's see, this list price is equals to rupees 8,000. Okay, this is the shopkeeper is purchasing from the wholesale at some rate of discount from a wholesaler. Okay, there is some discount. This wholesaler is giving some discount to this shopkeeper, but we don't know that discount. Okay, so, but this is the list price of that article. He sells the article to a consumer at a list price. Now this shopkeeper is selling this article at the list price only. So selling price for this shopkeeper, we can say this here. This is 8,000. This shopkeeper is selling this to the consumer at the printed price, 8,000, but he is taking some discount from the wholesaler. We don't know the discount here. Okay. The rate of GST is 18%. So here the rate of GST is also given. This is 18%. Shopkeeper pay a tax under GST of rupees 72 to the state government, and this shopkeeper is paying SGST, state government tax. SGST is equals to 72 rupees. Okay, so this is the net SGST this shopkeeper is paying to state government. We can write it here, net SGST. Fine. Now find the rate of discount at which he bought the article from the wholesaler. So we have to find the discount percent. This is the question. What is the discount percent? Again, I am repeating the question. This is a wholesaler, this is shopkeeper, and this is the consumer. So this wholesaler is selling one article to the shopkeeper at some discount. Okay, the discount is not given, but the mark price or the list price is given. So this is the list price of that article, 8,000 rupees. Okay, so he has given some discount. We don't know the discount, but we know that this shopkeeper sell this to the consumer at the printed price. Means 8,000 rupees is the selling price for this shopkeeper. Fine. And GST is given 18%. And this is a case of intrastate. Okay, and this is also given the net CGST. The net CGST the shopkeeper is paying to the state government. Net SGST, sorry, SGST is 72 rupees. This is given. So with the help of this, we have to find the discount percent. So before finding the discount percent, we have to find the discount. Then only we can find the discount percent. So how we will find this discount? So first we have to find the selling price for this wholesaler. At how much, at what price this wholesaler sell that to the shopkeeper. So how we can find that? So with the help of this GST. Okay, output GST we have to find first on the selling price. So let's calculate the output SGST on this selling price. The output SGST is equals to the rate of GST is 18%, and for state government it will be 9%. So 9% of 8,000, it will be can cancel out this. So it will be 720. Are you getting it? Am I audible to all of you?
720.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Thank you. So this is the output SGST, right? So now we will calculate the input SGST. So we know that here the net SGST is equals to output SGST, output SGST minus input. Okay, so net SGST is 72 rupees given, and output we have calculated 720 minus input. So input SGST we will calculate. So here input SGST will be equals to 720 minus 72. It will be 10 minus 2 is 8, 11 minus 7 is 4, and this is 6. So this is your input SGST, and it's coming to 648, right? Everybody got till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you want to write it? You can write it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Then I will erase this and move to the next part.
Done, sir.
Okay,
Sir, done.
okay. Okay, so see this third part. The tax under GST paid by the wholesaler to the central government. So here we have to calculate the only GST the wholesaler is paying to the central government. So this is paying to the central means CGST. So this will be equals to 6% of rupees 15,000.
15.
So it will be 6 by 100 into
Sir,
15,000.
sir, it is 1500.
Sorry. This is 1500. So it will be, these 20 will cancel out, and this is 90. Okay. So option A is correct. Option A is correct now. Okay, now see part 4. Let me erase this first.
आपके पास वो है चमन का पार्ट 2
Yes. So are you getting this? Is there any?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
query?
sir.
Okay, very good. So it's a very simple question. We have covered already some good quality questions in this exercise. So this is a very basic question. Okay. So let's see the next part of this question. The tax under GST paid by the retailer to the state government. So now how we will calculate this part? Who will explain this? Yes, part 4. Anybody please explain this? What we are going to do here?
The total GST which we have taken out is 198,
Yes.
and we
But-
will
but
half that.
We will do the total GST. We will half this
198. Yes.
198 by 2.
99.
It will be 99. Okay. Any other method to calculate this? Yes, Gibran, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell the other method to calculate this question number 4.
1 second, sir.
Yes.
1 second.
Where who is selling this vegetable? I am just
The
hearing
output SGST we can find.
some voice. Yes.
So we can find output SGST.
Okay, output SGST. Then
So this much is only there in fourth part. So this much is only there in fourth part.
output
Output,
SGST.
output SGST will find, and then output SGST and input SGST, and then we'll subtract it. We'll get net SGST.
Net SGST.
That would be paid by the
We have
that
to
would be
find
paid by the
here
retailer to the state
net,
government.
net SGST. Okay. Or you know the profit also. I told you that we can calculate on profit also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Tax
so
on profit. We can find
yes,
tax
yes.
on profit and then divide it by 2.
Yes, yes. So this is the correct answer, part 4.
The
Okay,
answer
thank
is
you.
9, not 99.
Yes.
So the answer will be 9. 9 rupees.
Answer is